Bitcoin has been volatile, and we can thank nothing but the volatility for some trade setups we took today in the live this morning. And if you are new here, come over and hang out. We go live in the morning with the trade setup. So we were able to get short for a little scalp this morning and then a little long just after that in the morning trading session. However, the big move today was clearly to the downside, which we signed off in profits for both those two winning trades. And now we are currently in a little bit of a long predicament right now. We are in a little bit of profit, but we are looking for this to come up a little bit for a retracement right now. And if you are new here, come and join us. We got a beautiful Discord full of like-minded traders with the setups given in advance and the live streams and the great crew of traders helping traders here. So come over and hang out with us. But today we're going to look at Bitcoin top down. This is kind of a make or break, in my opinion, looking at Bitcoin and where really we are at. We have some key areas and some key things that we will be looking at. But anytime price decides to make a move up so quickly like this, there tends to be a lot of people left behind, holding the bag, thinking that we're only going to go up only, and this is the opportunity for the parabolic run. And now I'm not saying that this is going to be a stop hunt coming down, but what does liquidity tell us? It says that typically we will be looking for this to come down to around 55K. Now, are we going to get there? We'll have to wait and see, but today was very simple. We understand that we came up and we failed to get a higher high here. So not getting above this high here is significant in my opinion. And as you can see, the market maker tends to keep doing this to us. Okay, so we have multiple examples of highs not being taken. Therefore, what do we think? Continuation to the downside imminent. Now, also, what else do I notice about this is, yes, V-shaped recovery on the way up here. But this low, in my opinion, is quite significant considering we took it down here. So, yes, we didn't swing this low down below here by my head, but you can simply see that this low right here is obviously higher than this low here. So could we be looking for this to swing down? Quite possibly. We need to wait and find out, okay? The first thing is first, what do we need to see? We need to see this low hold in order for us to continue to the upside. We also need to see this low hold in order for us to continue to the upside. And we also know that we are caught in the middle with you. So you can see here that we are very much in a consolidation, choppy range. So what have we been doing as traders who help traders, who go live, who scalp the ranges on a daily basis? Well, simply, we've been taking profits early. Getting into positions. I might cut a little bit of this trade off right now as we speak, right? Just looking for this to come up. Yes, we have a target back up to the previous lows over here, but do we get up there? We'll have to wait and see. The important part is with this volatility, we can take advantage of price action and use Market Cipher to help us do that. So if you are new here, smash those like buttons, subscribe, join us in the free Discord. We would love to have you. Okay, so going for a top-down analysis, and what we're really looking at is we're looking for this price action to make a decision. Okay, we're really in a flux of decision-making skills here. We are within this range. We have failed to go up. We have failed to go down. Unlike our friends NVIDIA, unlike our friend the S&P 500 that have created new highs here, that have pushed V-shaped recoveries up and created new highs, which is significant in my opinion, right? We can see that new highs have been created on NVIDIA and the S&P, creating some bullishness, right? Creating that full recovery that we are looking for in Bitcoin, but we haven't got that pushback. Why is that, you may ask? Well, I can't tell you exactly why, but I can say that most things are pointing to a recovery here. Our meter is at 29, so every time I say we will add another dollar to the giveaway at the end of the week. I'm working on not saying as much, and if I have said more than once in this video, we're going to make that 30 now. That you guys correct me and we can add to the tally so that I can get better at delivering a more concise message for you. So as you can see, we have not been able to get above this volume area here around 60,600. It has acted as a massive amount of resistance, okay? So until we really reclaim that area, I'm still looking for us to swing these lows, okay? I'm not extremely bullish. I'm not extremely bearish. I am just looking at what is being given to us. You can see the point of control of this little area within here. And this is going to act as a wall of China for us to get over. Okay, until we have a support and support resistance flip here where we get above, I'm still looking for us to come back down to this 55,000 level to grab these lows before trying to break structure to the upside, because really we are in this structure right now, which we can see that we are just retracing up and looking for a continuation down. Okay, not to get overly bearish, but this is what we are looking for until we see some concise higher highs and higher lows. Okay, I would like to see the 62,000 area taken out. And until then, I'm not looking to get very macro bullish, and I'm not looking to get very macro bearish. I'm just looking to trade the range and take advantage of that. Okay, looking at market cipher, our 3-day did print VWAP coming to the upside. Money is holding on for dear life right now. So we would really like to see this ramp to the upside, that anchor trigger wave continuation green dot print come Thursday. Okay, that's going to be interesting nonetheless, but we wait for that. The daily starting to hike back up. You can see the continuation here in money flow, here in momentum waves, here in VWAP pushing back up. We need to see a reclaim of the zero line on our stochastics, in my opinion, for us to continue onwards and upwards. Okay, the 12-hour. Beautiful, beautiful flip to green here. This typically front runs an upwards move. Okay, anchor, very steep anchor to trigger, okay? So we want to see money coming back into the market for continuation to the upside. Right now, you can see this is very much chop, okay? So like I said, use a stop loss, take profits early, pay yourselves, get in and out of those trades, okay? You want to take those profits initially and let the rest of it ride in an environment like this, okay? Getting to our 8-hour, which is really the key money flow, in my opinion, that has really defined this range. As you can see, we have clear money flow. So we want to see this continue to ramp up to the upside, and we want to see that green crossover. Okay, in anticipation for that green crossover, we need to be patient. Okay, we need to see that decision. We are stuck in the middle of a range. We want to see a decision being made on Bitcoin on which direction it really wants to go. Okay, so a little bit of patience is going to be crucial here. Understanding the 4-hour and what we are looking at. Yes, money has clearly gotten above the zero line and is holding here. We are oscillating above the 50% mark here. We would like to see that hold as well. We're getting a little bit overextended on our VWAP here, so looking for this to come back in. That, to me, would give us that push that we really want to see into the end of day today, pushing back in. Okay, we got our pump last evening around 8 o'clock. Okay, so could we expect another pump into this evening? Quite possibly. Just patience will prevail. As you can see, we're starting to push back on that trade setup that was given in advance. Okay, so hopefully this continues to push. We can collect our money. I might take a little bit off the table just now after this live or this update video and hopefully get you guys that information. So right now, what are we waiting for? We're waiting to see, can we hold this low here? Can we push back up and make a higher low from here? Then attacking the liquidity up above here and closing above 62,000. Critical. Coming back for the liquidity back in here. Okay, we failed to fully swing these areas, so I want to see price get above there. At least get above there and then start to retrace down, in my opinion, would be more bullish for a continuation up. We never swept those highs, okay? So now, patience will prevail, but taking advantage of price action within the local range. We look for Dixie to continue to dump. We look for the S&P to continue to pump. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled. Thank you guys so much. Guys, use the links down below. BloFin Exchange, BingX Exchange, Market Cipher. I would appreciate your support. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.